Hi, I'm Natasha Frakes, and you're watching Market 1 Minute. I'm here with Ben Mossman, who is the President, CEO, and Director of Rise Gold Corp. Why don't you start off by telling me a little bit of background of Rise Gold Corp, as well as where investors can find you?
Rise Gold Corp is a public company. We trade on the CSE, and the symbols RISE, and on the OTC RYES.
Can you give me a little bit of background about the company?
Well, Rise Gold Corp, we acquired the Idaho-Maryland mine. It's in Nevada County in California. It's a famous gold producer, produced 2.4 million ounces to date at very high grade, 17 grams per ton. So we bought it fee simple land and just completed the acquisition this year in January. And now we're getting ready to start our first exploration program, which will be the first exploration program done since the 50s.
So what's special about the Idaho-Maryland project?
Well, the Idaho-Maryland was a major past producing gold mine. It's right adjacent to the Empire mine, which produced 6 million ounces, so major gold district, very high grade. It was virtually unknown in modern terms, but something that has a lot of opportunity to grow, and we're very excited to start drilling on it this fall.
So why has it been dormant for so long?
Well, there's a lot of competition back in those times. The district itself was producing 270,000 ounces of gold every year in the 40s, and the Idaho-Maryland and the Newmont Empire mine were in a lot of competition to purchase properties around them. So the last report written by the USGS in the 40s, they didn't actually allow the government geologists into the Idaho-Maryland to study it. So that entire report's written about the Empire mine, and none of the maps or details of the geology of the deposit have ever been published. So we had the opportunity to purchase it. All the historical documents were stored in a local basement. We looked through all those, digitized them all, and realized that there's a lot of potential for discovery of new deposits or the extension of the historic deposit at depth. So that's why it has sat idle for so long, and it's a really unique situation where many of these old deposits, our great old deposits, have been redeveloped when the gold price came off the fix in the 70s, and this one hasn't. So it's a pretty unique situation.
It sounds like it. So now, could a gold mine be permitted in California?
Yeah, this is a really unique situation where you actually own the private mineral rights, so it's fee simple, private land. All the permitting, should it go to production, will be done with Nevada County, California as the lead agency. So you don't deal with California State, you don't deal with the BLM or U.S. National Forest Service. So it's a very advantageous situation for permitting in the future for the mine. For exploration, there's actually no conditional permits required at all. The zoning allows you to do the diamond drilling or exploration without conditional permits. So it's ready to start the exploration. In the future, there's a lot of advantages in California, especially since you own the private land itself versus many other projects all over the world.
So with that being said, what's the company's near-term plan?
Well, now that we've just completed all the data work, and that report just came out, it's on our website, the technical report. So we're preparing to drill. We'll start drilling in the fall, and this will be the first exploration drill program done on the property since the 1950s.
Sounds like an exciting opportunity. Thank you so much for being here.
All right, thanks.